your start.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm doing something a little different this week and taking you back in time a bit. I have a slew of footage from different summer projects that I never got around to editing or putting anywhere, so I decided to make a little summer montage of all the machine repairs and tractor fixes from earlier this year. Enjoy!
On this thing. Okay, so basically, so many things. So I need to remove these two bolts, or what's left of them, and then knock them out. And then we're putting a new tooth on. The teeth go back and forth and they cut the hay. And if you're missing a tooth, or a tooth is cracked or it's loose, that's when he'll go around the field and there will be like one little row of wispies like sticking up. But the first thing I have to do, sadly, is grind those off, which is scary. But yeah, we're gonna try. Okay. How does this work? How do you work? Yeah. only hurt when they hit right around my nose. And it's like, ow, 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 ow. I've got pretty good centered holes now. I cannot get these to tap out. I've tried it. I've ground the top flush and the bottom. I've got a good dimple going. I can get good arm swing. I just don't think I'm strong enough.
And don't hit the hay that's nearby.
What's that? Light the hay on fire, you said?
That'll get the whole thing nice and low.
Fire it up.
There.
Oh,
Oh.
get the other one.
Okay.
Hurry up.
No.
Huh?
Was that a good aha? or a
Yes,
bad
that
aha?
was excitement and joy.
The other one out too then?
Nope. I broke all the bones in my hand. That's what that was.
Oh, I see. That was a good aha.
Mm-hmm. It's fine. I'll live. Oh.
I don't think you will.
I don't think I will either. Ugh. Do I want to start drilling and knock out, or do I want to go straight to the template?
Well, the template would be better because you'll get more accurate. You'll be coming with a guide from above.
Yeah. All right, I'll
And
do
that's
that.
very hard steel in those teeth. So it shouldn't oblong very easy if you go right through the tooth.
Okay, I need to, I think, back off this guard. Like, maybe. Because the tooth can't, the tooth can't go where it needs to. Okay, so you, sir. Oh gosh. Oh, there we go. Ah! And are you gonna fall out? Yeah. You go here. Maybe. Why does this tooth seem wider than the other ones? Okay, there it goes. There, got it in. Okay. So I want that. Where are the, oh, memory. I got it. I said, Alright. Now, got it.
You got it?
Yep, now it'll just be a couple minutes. So the rest of this is very easy. No! Are you kidding me? This is a sick joke. A sick, sick joke.
What?
The brand new one just sheared off, so now I have to knock the new one out. But it just went in, so it should be willing to come back out. It's not like rusted in there or anything.
How did it shear off already?
I tightened it too hard. I'm too strong. That's how it's supposed to work. With the cackles and everything.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
You can't do it right without the cackles. I think that's what I was doing wrong last time, was I didn't cackle while I was doing it. Maniacal cackling is the key to all mechanical success. Maybe it's not maniacal, maybe it's mechanical cackling.
Yeah.
Like crazy. It was like pecking at all the mealworms.
Mm-hmm.
I'm like, wait a minute. She would grab a mealworm, set it on the ground for a tick. A whole bunch of ticks would come over and fight over it.
Okay, I'm gonna call that good enough. All right, now you go like this. Okay, there's the thing in the way. Go like this. And you go like this. And then you go like that. The other thing is you have to talk to it as you do it, then it works better. Okay. All of it.
That's nothing.
Okay, there we go.
The rake in. I'm going to test it. If it ain't ready, I'll just leave the rake in the field and go back in a couple hours, you know?
Yeah.
But if you get this done in the time I think you will faster than I will, that part is here.
The other thing is you have to talk to it as you do it, then it works better.
Daddy just screams at it. Makes weird noise at it.
That's pretty common in our family, is to make weird noises at things as you're doing them. I think it makes us interesting.